Join me as I dive into the challenge of unlocking business growth using AI, machine learning, and social media strategies. In today's digital age, businesses are constantly looking for innovative ways to scale and reach their target audience effectively. The problem is, many struggle to make sense of the vast amounts of data available and to create social media strategies that truly resonate with their audience. One of the biggest hurdles businesses face is understanding their customers' needs and preferences. Without this insight, it's difficult to create content that engages and converts. Moreover, with the ever-changing social media landscape, it's easy to get left behind. Another challenge businesses encounter is measuring the success of their social media efforts. With so many metrics to track, it can be overwhelming to determine what's working and what's not. And with limited resources, it's hard to allocate budget effectively. To make matters worse, many businesses are still using traditional methods to analyze their data, which can be time-consuming and often inaccurate. This can lead to missed opportunities and a lack of competitiveness in the market. The game changer here is that AI and machine learning can help analyze data and improve social media strategies. By leveraging these technologies, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their customers and create content that truly resonates. For instance, AI-powered tools can analyze social media conversations and identify trends and patterns that inform content creation. Machine learning algorithms can also help optimize social media ads, ensuring that businesses are targeting the right audience and getting the best return on investment. Real-world examples include companies using AI-powered chatbots to engage with customers and provide personalized support. Other examples include using machine learning to predict customer behavior and preferences, allowing businesses to create targeted campaigns that drive results. And by analyzing social media data, businesses can identify influencers and partners that align with their brand values and target audience. A key insight that demonstrates the successful integration of these technologies is the story of a company that used AI and machine learning to transform its social media strategy. By leveraging AI-powered tools, the company was able to analyze its customer data and create targeted campaigns that drove engagement and conversions. The results were staggering, with the company seeing a significant increase in sales and customer satisfaction. This case study highlights the power of integrating AI, machine learning, and social media strategies to drive business growth. By embracing these technologies, businesses can unlock new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, AI, machine learning, and social media are a powerful combination for business growth. If you've had any experiences with AI in your business, I'd love to hear about them. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my next video where I'll be diving deeper into the world of AI and machine learning.